Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 2-butane is given. You are reacting with palladium and barium sulfate and hydrogen. Then you are reacting with bromine. You have to find what will be the final product. Here first step you are reacting with alkyne with palladium and barium sulfate, which is a reducing agent. You have metal and you have hydrogen, but interesting fact here is alkyne reduced into cis-alkene. The reason is alkyne bind to the metal with same phase, so reduction also happen in the same phase, so only cis-alkene is formed. Then you are reacting with bromine. Bromine attacks the alkene, you have brominium ion. Then the ring opening happen, you have cation formation. Then the cation attacked by Br+, you have the final product which is dibromide, which is a racemic mixture. Because the addition is a trans addition, you have racemic mixture here. So the final product is dibromo substituted butane. The concept you have to learn here is palladium and barium sulfate always reduce in the cis fashion, and bromine addition is the anti-addition here. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.